Flattery is telling the other person exactly what he thinks of himself. Hello, fellow thinkers. Welcome back to Philosophy and Maxims. We've just heard an old school quote from Dale Carnegie, straight out of his classic book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. I think everybody can relate to this quote. Everybody knows just how easy the truth is to tell until that moment comes where it starts to feel uncomfortable. Honestly, I think that honesty is one of the hardest characteristics to build in your life. True honesty, that is. That means cutting out all the little white lies you find yourself telling each and every day. It can be simple things like being with your girlfriend and she asks you, does this dress make me look fat? Okay, it's a cliche example, but a lot of guys choose to lose battles in order to win the war, in even little situations like this. Now, does that mean you're being truly honest with yourself? No. You see, flattery is manipulation. How often do we see the classic cliche in movies of the employee who loses to his boss in a game of golf just to stay on his good side? You never beat your boss, you never show your bosses wrong, you never show yourself as better than your higher ups because then you're a threat to them in your job. We see this all the time in movies. You see, flattery is actually a form of cowardice. Here's an example I'm sure a lot of you can relate to. Maybe you're at a restaurant, big or small, doesn't matter. The waiter comes and asks you how your food is or how your drink is. You didn't enjoy it that much, but do you make a scene? No, you probably say, oh, it was okay, or yeah, it was good. But do you tell the real truth? Again, a little white lie. You're being a coward. You see, if you were to tell the truth, it would be beneficial for everybody. The waiter doesn't care that much. He'd appreciate the true feedback because then they can take it to the chef and maybe make a change. I know as a business owner, they would absolutely love this kind of raw and honest feedback. It helps them improve themselves. But again, flattery came through. It was a form of cowardice. You've disrespected yourself. You ate a meal and you paid for it that you didn't even really like. You see, there's a reason why there is a word called flattery. You don't substitute it with the word sincerity. You don't substitute it with the word honesty. They're different things. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. So always remember, think for yourself.